Are you looking to upgrade the rear factory shock mounts on your 97 through 2012 Porsche 986 or 987 Boxster or Cayman? If so, Elephant Racing's rear shock mounts are the answer to replace worn-out factory rubber mounts. Our high-performance mounts are direct replacements for the stock mounts. Made from lightweight aluminum, they feature Teflon-lined spherical bearings. The spherical bearings are maintenance-free and require no supplemental lubrication. Weather sealed on both the top and bottom, the weather seals prevent contamination from water or grime, extending bearing life. This is the only shock mount suitable for street or extended track use. This kit works with both coilover setups as well as factory lowering springs. They're also suited to work perfectly with Von coilover systems or other similar solutions. The spherical bearings pivot freely and eliminate the deflection that is inherent with factory rubber bushings. This is important for a few reasons. The factory rubber acts as a spring in series with the shock. The rubber spring action is completely undampened and reduces the shock's ability to control the tire contact patch. The spherical bearing allows the dampener to do its job and control the contact patch. Also, the factory rubber deflects sideways under cornering loads, causing loss of camber just when you need it most. Our spherical bearings eliminate the deflection, maintaining stable and predictable camber. Available for 97 through 02 Porsche 986s and 05 through 2012 987s, Boxsters, and Caymans.